I just say, excuse me if like some parts of my face is sweaty. It is hot out here in the streets. But today I have a Poundland and Poundworld haul. So basically Poundworld are having sales for the closure. So I decided let me go in there and grab myself some stuff because they are reduced. So I went to Poundland and Poundworld. So the first thing I picked up is this over-door hairdryer storage, right? I don't have a hairdryer, but I want to get this for my curling wands, curling irons. When I finish curling my wigs, my curling iron, obviously it's still hot even though you take it out of the wall plug. I just like the fact I can wrap it around here. It can be dangling on top of my bedroom door, and like that way it's safe. I've got 4 kids, and like health and safety. Sometimes kids, they touch things. They're kids. They're allowed to be less than smart sometimes. We prefer them to be smart. Next, from Poundworld, I got this 2-in-1 spray window wiper. This was £3, and I remember I saw it last time a couple of weeks ago before like administration came up, like seriously before, and I was like, I'm gonna come back one day, I'm gonna get it, because you know on £3 items it's like £3. Just for some reason it's like I have to justify it in my mind. But no, you go to Primark, oh no, you could spend 50 quid, 100 quid. Poundland and Poundworld, it's like, why is it £3 though? Obviously there's a sale on, I thought, let me go back and get this. This was the last one, I think there was 2 left. I think I left one in the store. I feel like this is so perfect, put some soap in there, inside the bottle. Next, I got this for 50p, and it's the Happy Birthday plates. These are 23 centimeters. 20, I found out weird, but I said they're 23 centimeters. My son, who is turning 6 this month, and yeah, I got him these. We don't do parties for them. When they grow up, like if they ask for a party, then you know we'll consider making a party. But they're not kids that bother with parties. They're like, can I get a new toy? They're like those type of kids. We have to get them a birthday cake. Every single person, every single year, a birthday cake. So I want to get a birthday cake because I want them to remember. Every single year, they always got me a cake. Yeah, I swear, I'm one of those mothers, even when my kids get to their 40s, right, yeah, I turn up to the house. Happy birthday! I'll bring a cake. Yeah. What? Next, I got 10 small mailing bags. I've actually used one of these. I needed one to send to a subscriber. But when that subscriber's watching, she'll be like, yeah, I remember these. Yeah. I got this for 80p. So yeah, I'm really happy that I actually got this. So the next stuff I'm going to show you are from Poundland. And basically, I just got 2-pack of clear tape. Again, this is for packaging and giveaways for the future. Next, I got these. Oh my goodness, I saw this in, I think her name's Kate on YouTube. It's the 3-pack white worth shots, and I've got berry and white chocolate. And I actually got this because she said this is her favourite. I'm going to taste it. If it's really good, I feel like it's going to be great for like a healthier snack, because I'm trying to make, I wouldn't say I'm trying to lose weight, but at the same time I want to like make a healthy lifestyle change. It's the Flash Vintage Edition with bleach. I don't know why it's the vintage edition, but yeah, Flash. Yeah, got this because why do I need it? I got the Flash because I want to do a deep clean in the bathroom. Like the bath panel needs like it needs a shot of Flash. So guys, I went back to Poundworld again 2 times actually, and I thought I'd combine stuff that I got as well with this haul. In one of my shops I picked up this mug. It says me, and there was another one in there that said you. Yeah, you. I wanted to get the you one on later on a different shop, but when I came back to my next shop and I was like, I'll go back and get the you one, all the mugs were gone. The mugs were gone. In one of my shops I picked up this. Basically what this is a you know Cars the movie, the Disney, I think it's Disney, right? Disney? Yeah, Disney. It says the Disney Pixar. Oh my goodness, I went to the checkout and like literally the guy said 50p. I was like, oh, I'm gonna get another one. Even the guy was like, yeah, it's very nice. So I paid and I went round back again and got another one. There was literally two left, you guys. 2 left of these storage boxes, and like the kids are gonna really love this, but I want to use this because with my little one I really want to like store all of his toys in a different storage box. because I buy a lot of educational toys for him, and like I feel like it's just, we have to look around at all the other toy storage boxes. It's not as we've got like a ton of them, you know, just like I think there's 4, and like we have to look around and find like little missing pieces, and I just don't like that. Oh my goodness, my kids love Mario, Luigi, they love it. I think they're currently watching it right now. I found this card, 50p again, 50p gem Garmin bargain. Like seriously, I was so happy I went into the store. My son is turning today, he's turning 6 tomorrow actually. Doesn't know I got this. It is so brilliant. So I'm gonna give this to him, and also you get what's it called, wrapping paper, and you get a tag as well. Yeah, 1 sheet of gift wrap and 1 card and 1 tag, and so like yeah, so it's gonna be brilliant. I feel like the wrapping paper, yeah, I feel like the wrapping paper I'm gonna do for a DIY for their bedroom. That sounds weird, because when it comes to toys, they come shopping with me like all the time. So it's like, how am I gonna hide the toy away? How am I gonna hide it? But yeah, I'm gonna use the wrapping paper for a DIY in their bedroom. I'll bring that video very soon. When I heard that Poundworld was shutting down, I started going in like thinking like stuff that, you know, stuff I could get, and I saw this hairband right here. It's sort of like turban sort of style hairband. I really like this because like lately I've been liking like putting my hair down. Before, for some reason I just didn't like how I look with my hair down. Like, but yeah, I just really like this hairband. Massive fan of red, and like yeah, I feel like this would suit me very well. That was it guys for my Poundland and Poundworld haul. I picked up some really nice stuff, really nice stuff. If yeah, the Poundworld, I heard online they've got they plan on shutting down all the stores by the 8th of August, but who knows, you know what, you know, some buyer might come and just sort everything out for us, you know what I mean? My store is closing down. I went there, I was like, oh my goodness, I don't think if I come next week, the store's probably gonna be shut. I'm gonna go back next week and see if my store is still open. If it's still open, again, another haul. That haul, I might do a come shop with me. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I love bargains. I love bargains. Most people love bargains. Even rich people love bargains. So subscribe if you're not subscribed. Take care of yourselves. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.